In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Wix support in 2026. If you need help from a real person and you're having trouble finding the right contact option, this process is actually pretty simple once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, go to the Wix website and make sure you're logged into your account if needed. Once you're on the main page or inside your dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find the main account and help-related options. Take a moment to locate the search area there because that's the fastest way to reach the support page. From the top right section, search for support. As you type, Wix should show you relevant help options. What you're looking for is the Contact Us option. When you see it, click on it. This will take you to the next stage of the support process, and in many cases it may open in a new tab, so don't worry if your screen changes slightly or another page appears. Once the new tab opens, you'll be on the support contact page. This is where you can start guiding the system toward connecting you with an actual support agent instead of only showing automated help articles. In the message or request area, type the phrase, "I need a customer care to step in." This is the key part because it signals that you want help from a real person rather than just self-service suggestions. After you enter that request, Wix should then prompt you to connect with an actual person. Depending on what appears on your screen, you may see a chat flow or a contact form designed to collect some information before handing things over to support. This is normal and it helps their team understand your issue before the conversation begins. From there, all you need to do is fill in the necessary details about your problem. Be as clear and specific as possible when describing the issue so the support team can help you faster. For example, explain what part of your site or account you need help with and briefly describe what's happening. Once you've submitted those details, that's it. You've completed the process to reach Wix support chat and request help from a real person. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get support quickly and smoothly.